Hello, I will walk you through the Python code for supervised machine learning using linear regression. First, we'll start by importing all the required modules. Now, I will be importing the dataset into Python using read_csv command. Yeah, so our dataset is hours versus scores. So, hours is the number of hours a student spent on studying, and the scores which he got for the number of hours he studied. So our task is to input the number of hours into input the number of hours and predict what the scores the student might have got. We will be using linear regression for this. Now we are going to input set hours as an input. So we are going to set data hours in the x variable and the scores in the y variable. And then we are going to split the data x and y as train and test, training to train the model and testing to test the accuracy of a model. So now let's begin by training the model. This code here trains the regression model and outputs a prediction for what the prediction for input x test. Now let's check its accuracy. So the variance score is minus 2353 and root mean square error is 5.1. This root mean square, the lower the better. But as you can see, 5.1 is pretty bad. So this means that linear regression is not a good model to predict this data set. So we should use some other model. But let's test. Let's plot this and see how it looks like. So instead of a traditional method of plotting using matplotlib, I use cborn. Cborn has a inbuilt function lmplot, which will plot your linear regression easily. So regardless, this as we have seen here that our model is not a good model, but let's predict what answer will it give if a student studies for 9.25 hours. So let's run this and see what happens. So we get an output that the score of the student must be 93.15%. So this is linear regression in Python.